Sup and welcome, fellow commanders.
Today we are talking about the Caspian Sea frigate class.
Caspian Sea has 16 health, 10 defense, 1 primary weapon and 1 auxiliary. Not bad for 3 points. And can be an easy way to bring the more expensive primary weapons into your fleet. Its unique ability, fire control networking, once per round when you use a lock-on, while in the same range band as this ship, instead of a +1, you get to reroll to hit, but must take the second result. So yes, this affects ally ships as long as they're in the same range band as the Caspian Sea. It is very badly written, but there is a second effect. When the Caspian Sea is tasked with defensive screen, you may apply lock-on to an enemy vessel. It feels like the designers had an unwritten rule to make the most complicated rules explanation possible. Split this into 2 different special abilities in order to avoid player confusion. Now, let's talk weapons. You might want to give it a kernel kinetic projector, so to equal out its -1 to hit, but that would be using up the lock-on and leaving none for your more important weapon. The Panaka ship-to-ship missiles work far better for using lock-on, as they get +3 damage each time you use lock-on with them. The dorsal Razorback missiles also work, with the allowing -1 to its travel time when using a lock-on. The long flight active control missiles combo with lock-on, allowing them to change target mid-flight. Enough with primary weapons, now let's talk auxiliary. Now, auxiliary weapons are near useless in damage output, so I suggest taking an auxiliary weapon for utility over damage output. The Fly Squadron missiles are capable of dealing 2 damage to 1 or 2 wings. Always pick the 2 targets whenever possible, for a combined 4 damage. Use this as anti-wing pesticide, and when stacked can swat wings from the sky. The Hellbringer Confidence lasers can -1 charge token from a friendly weapon. It does specify it has to be a weapon in your fleet. The 1 damage to whenever you -1 charge token is a happy side effect, not something to min-max for. Cloud Kill Kinetics can deal some damage and protect an allied fleet with one of your fellow players, but can only be used twice and cost 2 points. I would like there to be an option that you can take 1 charge for 1 less point, like you pay double the price and you get 2 charges, or if you can just pay 1 point and just get 1 of them. That would be very interesting and allows you a little bit more diversity, like you're paying for ammunition. I'm not going to tell you what loadouts or combos to run, because whenever I hear someone else's combos and ideas, I can't help but one-up them and then fail miserably, so yeah, so do as you do. Try your best, try and figure out some combos down in the comments. That's all for today. See you soon, fellow commanders.